Welcome to syGlass Academy. This lesson will teach you the measuring tool. Prior to entering the VR, please check that your project's voxel dimensions are properly set to ensure accurate measurements. Then open the project in VR. For this demonstration, the interpupillary distance is measured in an MRI scan. Open the menu and select the measurement tool. It's represented by the ruler and compass icon in the toolbar. Place your controller where you would like to begin measuring and pull the trigger to drop anchor points. Your controller reads the local and total distances. Local calculates the distance from the last anchor in real time. Total adds the distance between all of the current dropped anchors. To end a measurement, click the thumbstick or touchpad to toggle the visibility. Press again to begin a new measurement. Move points by holding in the trigger and dragging the anchor point. To calculate an angle, click the Enable Angle Tool checkbox in the menu. Drop anchor points with the trigger. The degree of the angle will appear at the vertex and on your controller screen. The angle can be moved. Press and hold the touchpad to toggle the eraser. Hover over an anchor point. Click the trigger to delete. Use the menu to clear the last few annotations or all of the annotations at once.